All right, once your butterfly is finished, we are gonna work on using some chalk pastels to color. So we're gonna first look at this color wheel here. So if you look at yellow all the way over to red, all of these on this side is what in the past we've talked about, the warm colors. Then if you go to, well, yellow-green could also, but yellow-green all the way over to red-violet, these are more in the cool color family. So my only rule with using the chalk pastels is if you just pick 3, and I would like you to pick 3 that are next to each other on the color wheel. So that's what's called analogous. So I could use yellow-orange, yellow, and yellow-green, or I could do violet, red, violet, and red, or I could do violet, blue, violet, and blue. So you're picking 3 that are directly next to each other. So I'm going to pick some of those colors here. So I'm gonna go with orange, this pink, and this yellow. Those are all considered in my warm colors. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start applying some of those where I'd like them. And just like butterflies are symmetrical, we wanna keep our colors symmetrical. So what I did over here, I'm gonna do over here. So I like to use one color for a little while before I change, just to make sure I'm moving that color around. So you don't need to push hard because we will be mixing these with our finger once we have the colors on. So again, putting those colors near each other, then we can blend them. Okay, I have finished covering my butterfly shapes. Now I'm going to use my finger to start blending and massaging those colors together to cover the white part of the paper. Now your finger will get a bit messy, so sometimes when I'm going to do the next one, depending on if the color's different, I might change fingers, kind of like a new paintbrush. And you're gonna gently massage all of those. So I'm just gonna kind of do my pinks so that I have this finger is all in the pink reddish colors. I'm gonna do all those parts. So then you wanna go back and just make sure you got all of them rubbed. Like I can see I didn't do this one yet. Make sure you got all of them and you're covering all that white paper that goes in those spaces with that chalk, just spreading it around. Again, we don't need to push real hard with the chalk because it will spread very nicely on its own. And then we will do the next step next class.